Hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Mima's Crafty Corner. And this is just a real quick. We're going to draw for the prize winner. So I have everybody's names here. And so I'm just going to fold these in half and put them in the monkey bucket. And this is everybody who commented or was in the chat box during the filming of the sewing journal. So I went back and went through all of it to make sure that I got everybody. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a name, and then I'm going to post this, and that person's going to have 24 hours to contact me. And I will get them their prize. Okay. Yes, Harry. Yes, I love you. I love you. I love you, little kitty. You're annoying, but I love you. Ow! So let's take a look. What is this going to be? It's going to be some of these. Then you're going to get these, which are the circles that I used for the 3D belly band. You're going to get a set of these, which is the little lace PETs. You're going to receive this, which is the ephemera that we used. You're going to get these, which is a set of stickers that we also used. And then you're going to get a whole bunch of the left, what's left of the ephemera, including some of these vintage seam bindings, this half of a needle book, some pocket pieces, and those buttons. Okay, and there's more in there. So you're going to get all of this stuff. Okay, I'm going to send you all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this away, and then we're going to draw a name real quick, and that person will then have 24 hours to contact me and tell me whether or not they want it. If they do, I will get it in an envelope. If they decline or they do not get in touch with me, then I will draw a second name. Okie dokie. Chris Shuck. If you are interested in this set to make a journal, reach out and let me know. And if you're not, just, let me know that you want to pass on it, and I will pull someone else. Okay? Thanks so much. Till I see you again. Stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.